Here we are in Dushanbe, Tajikistan, in a very nice training facility where Mansoor is going to show us how do we put together a DC solar system and an AC system, very basic. So let's start with this. We have plenty of batteries, controller, solar panel. We'll just pick them up and put it together.
Значит, здесь мы будем показывать компоненты солнечной системы. Одни из важнейших компонентов этой системы это являются аккумуляторы. Эти аккумуляторы имеют разные емкости и определенно разные цены. В нашем рынке примерно стоимость 1 ампера-часа гелиевых аккумуляторов, которые в основном используются для таких солнечных систем, стоит $1,8 США. Например, вот здесь солнечный аккумулятор емкостью 200 ампер-час, 120, 100 и так. Здесь, например, можно использовать для системы UPS 4,5 ампер-час. Мы имеем три типа контроллеров, один MPPT и два PWM. Сейчас в нашей системе мы будем использовать PWM контроллер, значит ток 20 ампер, автоматически переключается с 12, можно использовать для системы 12 вольт и 24 вольт. Мы почему сейчас будем использовать, потому что там имеется экран и можно смотреть ток заряда и емкость аккумулятора системы. Значит, имеются разные виды инверторов, цена тоже разная. Здесь, например, вот этот инвертор мощностью киловатт, но модифицированный синусоидом. Эти инверторы 2 киловатта чистая синусоида, это 5 киловатт. И этот инвертор мощностью 1 киловатт с чистой синусоидой. Сейчас в нашей системе мы будем использовать вот эту систему как раз. Стоимость этого инвертора примерно $120.
This looks like a 200 watt solar panel. 160. So let's take something in the middle. Maybe this is a 60 watt panel, right? 70 watt. Okay, so let's take this all panels here. So we have a 70 watt panel.
About
25 kilogram, and then we will have a controllers, and we need an. So the interesting part here, this panel is about close to $100 price. This battery, 25 kilogram, this is very heavy. This is lead acid battery, is roughly about $100. If it was a lithium ion battery, the price will be $350 to $400. And we have one controller which basically acts as the brain. It has 3 sets of connection. So the solar connection goes here, the battery connection goes here, and then any appliances we are going to use, that will be connected here. It will come out as a DC. This one produces DC, battery storage DC, this controller is DC. Then if we want AC to operate, like to run a motor, run a electric drill or something, we take this DC output, put inside an inverter, and it will come out as AC. So we are going to put it together, right? Okay, so what we have now, a very simple battery and light system. Fully charged battery, no different from the torch light we have, because the battery is a bit bigger, goes to a controller, and these get connected. And of course, if we run it for a while, the battery is going to run out, and that's when we need a solar power, right? So let's connect the solar power. Then we have a complete system. Okay, so now we have a complete DC system. We have a solar panel that will charge the battery, and from the battery the light will come on, and the brain inside, it will make sure the battery doesn't get overcharged or battery doesn't get overdrained. So that's why we need a controller. Now, of course, this is not going to be enough. Now we need to connect a heavy equipment, say a drilling machine, right?
Yeah.
So then what we do, take this output, which is a DC, feed into an inverter, it becomes an AC, and then we connect a drilling machine, right? Okay, so let's do that. Yes, now it is serious electricity. So this is running the DC system as it was running. Now we have an inverter. Now we need a drill or something, AC system. Yes, switch it on. Okay, now do we? Okay, so this is the real plug on the back. So that's a complete system at home. So we were initially calculating it was about $300 up to this point. How much is this one extra?
This 120 US dollars.
120. So basically a $400 system in an off-grid situation allows people to run their DC light bulbs and other DC appliances, USB charger, and in addition some AC appliances, just adding up another inverter, both being fed from the same battery in a parallel connection, roughly about $400. Wonderful. So if we take this solar panel outside now, we can see how much it generates. So if I put the solar panel here, okay, so this is directly coming from the sun, solar panel without battery, anything. So it's a very simple system. Basically, if you had a solar panel outside, no battery, nothing, directly sun is coming inside, right? No battery, no controller, nothing. So this is a $100 system. When you have sun, you have light, no storage. So if we connect the controllers, now we can see how much is producing. Yeah.
0.25 ampere.
Yeah, times 12 volt. Yeah, okay. 4 ampere. So it's about producing about 50 watt. So if for 4 hours in a day, it will produce 240 watt hour, which means that little light bulb that we had, that can run for a lot more. 3 of them can run about 10 hours. Okay, we just demonstrated with the help of Mansoor here in Dushanbe, Tajikistan, that a simple $100 solar panel, which used to be a few $1,000s, even few years ago, now less than $100, can create an off-grid system to supplement grid connections, even in the heart of a city, to improve the quality of supply. So off-grid just need not to be far away in far-flung areas where there is no electricity, just to augment what we have. And this small system, as we showed, can run as an independent system with a battery, can store for evening use, and through an inverter can run heavy machineries like a drill machine or a projector in a school. So thank you, Mansoor, for showing this. Thank you very much.
Also,
Thank you.
very much.